Ay.
May napaanak siya, hindi niya alam yung essentials.
Ala, explain mo kay daddy, ano daw yung do essentials?
11:30, do essentials. Are you okay?
Yes, why?
You're a 27-year-old man.
Oh,
And you don't know what essentials is?
I'm just asking ano yung essential. Sabi mo kasi.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Oh, explain it to your dad.
I know essential, that's a t-shirt eh. Why? Tama naman ah. Bakit ka tumatawa?
My dad.
Oh, explain it to your dad. What is essentials?
Essentials, sis.
Oh.
Like you're gonna brush your teeth. You're like gonna do your facial. You're like gonna do your skincare and makeup.
May skincare ka na?
Yes! I'm a 8-year-old girl and almost turning 9.
Wow.
Goodness. Hindi essential tawag dati dun eh. Pag sa amin, toothbrush ka na nga. Ganun lang sa amin dun eh. Dito to. Ang baho ng hininga mo, mag-toothbrush ka na. Ganun. Kapag nagtututbrush si Ola, ang kailangan sabihin, do your essential. Oh my God, I don't like na to.
That's so true. You have to do your essentials.
Hindi ako sanay sa ganyan ha. Sanay ako sa
I'll say to your daddy, do your essentials.
Do your essentials.
Toothbrush ako.
Awa naman si Ma.
Why?
May napaanak siya, hindi niya alam yung essentials.
Bakit? Bakit? Ano?
Kawawa naman daw si Ma.
Bakit?
May napaanak siya, hindi alam yung essentials.
Sorry.
Oh my gosh!
Ano essential, pinapatawa lang kita.
Weh! Weh!